Hello, dear students, professionals, and business owners. Today, we will be discussing about the most important concept in every field. Does not matter you are a scientist, you are a professor, you are or maybe a bureaucrat, you are a president of a country. You need this skill, and the skill is communication. First of all, what is it? Communication is itself a process. Whenever we say something is a process, it means we can learn it, it means there are steps in it, it means we know it at advanced level. So, what is communication? Communication is a process of exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, and feelings between individuals and groups. So it means it is about conveying what you know, it is about conveying what you want, it is about conveying what you have done. So it does not matter what is the field, you need to do all these things. So next, why communication matters? It improves your relationships if you are a good communicator, and it makes you a good team player. It enhances teamwork. It reduces the conflict between the teams. It increases efficiency. You get maximum outcome with minimum input, and it builds leadership. It makes you a leader. So this is the reason this communication thing is important. Further, what are the communication elements? If we do not understand the elements, we might not know the improvement chances. So basically, there are five elements in the communication. The first one is sender, the second is message itself, the third is medium, and the fourth is receiver, and the fifth one is feedback. So obviously, the sender can improve its communication, the message can be improved, the medium can be improved, the receiver obviously when listening in proper way can improve, and ultimately the feedback can be given in better way. So these all elements can be worked on when you are working on your communication skills. So there are basically three types of communication. The first one is verbal communication. I'm talking to you. The second one is non-verbal communication. It means that maybe I'm giving my expressions, maybe I'm not talking, maybe I'm showing some reservations through my gestures and postures. So this is non-verbal communication. And then there is writing communication. It is about giving the things in the writing. So verbal communication is about spoken communication using words, includes meetings, presentations, and discussions. Non-verbal communication mainly includes five things: first, body language; second, facial expression; third, gesture; fourth, tone; and the last one is eye contact. So written communication, what we do, we mostly write emails, reports, notices, messages, and we write a lot of documents. And the communication can be formal or informal. Formal mean official channel. When we are talking to someone, when we are writing a letter, when it's in official way, this is formal. When we talk in the private, that is informal way. So barriers to effective communication. There can be certain barriers in terms of the communication. Mainly there are four. The first one is language barrier. Maybe the person you are talking to is not understanding your language. The second can be emotional barrier. Maybe few people are emotionally high for something, few people are not. Cultural differences can also be a barrier, and noise can also be a barrier. So overcoming communication barriers, we can overcome the communication barrier through four things. First is active listening, second is clear languages, and third is feedback, and fourth is maybe we can show the empathy, putting our shoes in someone else's shoe and understanding what they're saying. So active listening is also a best way to improve the communication. When we say active listening, we mean paying attention, avoiding interruption, asking questions, and summarizing. When we say communication skills in real life are extremely important for the business meeting, for the classrooms, for the interviews, for the leadership roles. Communication skills for the students can improve their communication skills while giving the presentations during their studies. They can do the group discussions. They can also do the academic writing to improve their communication skills. Professional people must work on email writing, negotiation, and conflict resolution to improve their communication skills. So when it comes to the modern trend, what is going on modernly and worldwide, people are mostly focusing on the digital communication side, the virtual meetings, the AI assistants communication. So this is the modern. The common thing that I discuss in my every lecture is the mistakes people make. The first thing they make is the poor listening. Sometimes we overuse jargons. We must avoid using jargons, and we must not choose to give no feedback. No feedback is also a mistake. And This is the conclusion of the lecture that communication is a core skill of the life. This listening is important as speaking, and practice improve the communication. So for the discussion in the comment section on my YouTube, it does not matter whatever channel you are watching it on, please let me know in the comment section. Is communication about speaking or listening? What do you think? What is most important? The second thing is, can communication skill be learned, or it is something that we get from birth? Do let me know in the comment section what you think, what you say. Thank you.